Today we're here at Lake Norman MarineMax with the Yamaha 222 FSH Sport E. Coming into the back of the boat, tons of room on the back platform for getting in and out, fishing, so multi-use there. Live well, you have jump seats on both sides of the console, multi-directional console, so you can fish off the back, cooler underneath. As we get under the T-top, Simrad, wireless phone charger, engine management system, twin throttles for both of the high output engines, twin high output jet engines. Rod holders on both sides as we make it up to the front. Tons of storage on both sides of the front, as well as the front of the console lifts. So you have changing room here. Moving up front, center pad, filler, so you can stand in the front. Storage under both the front seat cushions. Check this and many other Yamaha boats out at MarineMax Lake Norman. Thanks for watching.